Today I'm going to show you how to add an additional user to the Nintendo Switch. If you want to jump right to the process, skip to this point in the video. First, let me explain what adding a user actually does. It becomes necessary when there's another person in your household who plays the same Switch. Setting each person up as a separate user gives them their own set of save files. In other words, it allows Todd to be 75% through Zelda and Bobby to be 25% through Zelda. Users can also have different personal settings from one another. Anyone who owns a Switch already has at least one user set up, because it forces them to set up one when they power on the system for the first time. When two or more users exist, each time someone opens up a game, it'll ask which user is going to be playing. I shouldn't say every time. According to Nintendo, there are some games that share one common save file, so those games don't ask you to pick a user. So here's how you add the additional user. From the main dashboard on the Switch, highlight Settings and hit A to select it. Scroll down to the left side to Users and select that. In this area here, it'll show all the users that are already set up. I just have one so far. Underneath, select Add User. Select Create New User. You need to select an avatar. It gives you 12 to choose from. However, there's a lot more than that. Select More Options and select Characters/Me. And here you'll get a big list of avatars to choose from. Select whichever one you want, and it'll put you back on this screen. If you want, you can select Background and change the background color behind the avatar. Select OK, and it'll ask for a nickname. To avoid confusion, you might want to use their first name. However, it only holds 10 letters. I'm going to pretend like I have a brother named Bobby. Select OK on the keyboard interface, then OK here. That brings you to a very important screen. You have to choose whether or not to link a Nintendo account to the user. This enables them to use the online features, like to be able to purchase games off the digital storefront, or to play games online. Each user that wants to engage in those things has to have their own Nintendo account set up. They cannot link to an account that's already linked to another user. So either select Link a Nintendo account or select Later. If you did select Link a Nintendo account, you can either sign into an already existing account or go through the process of creating a new account from scratch. I have an existing account, so I'm going to select the first option here. I'll put in the email and password associated with that account. Then it'll check to see if I entered it correctly. It'll pull up that account and ask you one last time if you want to link it. Once you do it, the account linkage cannot be changed unless you delete the user. Select Link if you want to move forward. Say OK to this pop-up. You now see the additional user's avatar up at the top. When you go to play a game, it'll ask you to choose a user, and that's how you do it. I hope you found this video helpful.